morning, welcome to Iron Arrows. Today I'm going to just shoot a little video about a smoothie that we typically make when we're not reaching straight for the coffee. So today I'm gonna put it in my mind to have a good day and start with a smoothie. My toddler's helping me open the strawberries. Can you get the scissors? Sorry, we don't share names. Here you go, toddler. She's opening the strawberries. So the first thing I do, because I'm not having coffee, is kombucha. Well, there's water in there also. Kombucha adds a little bit of yummy flavor and good bugs for the gut and all that goody stuff. I'm trying to do this one-handed. I didn't think this one through very well. Let me see if I can get a spoon out of this drawer. Okay, so Moringa is our new supplement that we use, or superfood, I don't know, but I've been sore lately, so I haven't been good about using it. Brad from Big Family Homestead recommended Pura Vida, so we like that one. We were doing the capsules, but I decided to just go straight for the powder because I think it's cheaper. Turmeric, put a little bit of dirt in there, earth dirt. No. Tastes like the earth, that's why I called it that. But it's so good for anti-inflammatory, as is the Moringa. Beets are as well, and we do have beets growing in our garden, but I'm just going to throw some beet powder in here. This is how I measure. And then vitamin C. I use this one in my smoothies typically because it just tastes like lemon. This is the just the ascorbic acid. If you use the one that we take as a supplement in the evenings usually, is the sodium ascorbate, and that tastes like baking soda. So that's not going in my smoothie because this is going to be gross enough to start with that we don't need to add that element. So citric acid flavor. We got the Moringa. And then milk thistle is a good liver cleanser. So we're going to add a little bit of the milk thistle. Yep, don't ask me for measurements because this is just what you're going to get. Yeah, a little bit of this, a little bit of that. Spirulina. Okay, can you open this, please? We're going to add some strawberries. You did a good job. It's so hard to do this one-handed. Bananas for flavor because, oh my gosh, this is going to taste so gross if you don't add bananas. Mommy? Yes. Go for it. Add those in. Thank you so much. So we add the fruit for flavor. Can you open this, please? I really needed to have my assistants just ready to do everything so I could just hold the video, hold the camera. Here we go. Bananas. Also, another good thing, assistant girl, can you please open this? Yeah, can you add another one, please? Is Brazil nuts. Oh, yeah, don't add that one. We'll save that one for a dog or something. Let's add lots of strawberries. Lots of strawberries. Did we add the spirulina yet? No. I'm gonna cross-contaminate. It'll be okay, it's just powders. That's gonna be gross now. Brazil nuts. Ooh, she added a lot. She's feeling healthy today. So we have 2 bananas. We probably need more strawberries. Oh, can you grab those pineapples, please? More. Pineapples are the key. Oh yeah, add some more. Pineapples are the key to make spirulina not taste quite as nasty. They help a lot. So I'm gonna add even more strawberries. I don't like to spike my sugar with all the fruit, but at the same time, we're splitting this between a couple, well, 6 or 7 of us, 6 of us, and we don't want it to taste gross because we just want to get our good stuff in. Oh, I usually add cucumbers. Let me get some cucumbers. So, oh, don't look at my fridge. It's a mess. Oh, it's a big mess. My friend Ash Voisine, shout out to Ash Voisine. She grew these awesome cucumbers. So I have some that she cut up, so I'm going to throw these in. Should have been eating them. But I really love cucumbers for pickles and for dipping in hummus and for smoothies. That's my So there we go. They add a lot of water and like a balanced taste that's not strong at all. So let's see how this is gonna go. Ooh, what a color. He was making faces like, no. The beets and the spirulina definitely make it like a black, dark brown, black color. The kombucha helps with flavor. You can also add, as do the bananas, you can also add dates. We used to add dates a lot, but that really will spike your blood sugar, so. And I usually blend the heck out of it, so here we go. I also usually add spinach. Sorry about all that noise. Maybe I'll cut that out. I don't usually edit, so we'll see. All right. Delicious and nutritious. I'll feel way better if I drink this than a cup of coffee, so cheers.